joined by the lovely Nina Kemp-Jones, the Regional Development Manager for Foster Wales for Ngwent. Hi, Nina.
Hi, Amy.
Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be discussing having a more diverse fostering community. So Nina is a qualified social worker. Nina, would you mind telling us a little bit about your background?
Well, I've been a qualified social worker for more than 20 years. I've always worked across children's services, and I think that subconsciously this has been driven by my own life experiences. Obviously coming from a Black and minority ethnic background myself, and my life also changed when I was fostered as a baby and then later had a transracial adoption. My relationship with my foster carer and my adoptive parents has been a big influence and inspired me. And I'm really keen for more people from a diverse background to consider fostering. Well, foster care by its very nature can be culturally diverse. Children, are placed in homes where expectations and communication styles can be very different than what they're used to. And no matter how welcoming their foster carers are, children looked after have to adjust to many differences during a time of both emotional and physical transition. We need to be able to match children looked after with foster carers who best meet their needs, and this includes their cultural, linguistic, religious and ethnicity needs. We also need to understand that children and people looked after will have experienced different forms of trauma and loss. In today's world, we also need to understand that some children needing care will have experienced the trauma of war. Well, it's imperative that services provide support to ensure that children from different ethnic backgrounds are receiving care that fully respects their culture, beliefs and identity. Fostering services need to be inclusive and easy to navigate for foster parents from a range of backgrounds, with staff who are culturally sensitive. And we also need to develop more mutual understanding and increased support for foster carers who provide cross-cultural placements. I think there's a real need to build trust within different ethnic communities, and we can do that by providing information, such as why there is a need for foster care and state intervention, as well as addressing any sort of specific concerns, which hopefully will seek to remove any barriers for prospective foster carers within these communities.